Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about very important topic like first of type, last of type, nth of type in CSS Selector how we can able to find. Before going to start this video and please verify my previous video. I made it like a first child, last child and nth child and nth last child. If you understand that video, you can able to understand easily for this video. Okay, similar way it is presented, small modifications only. Here in the first of type is basically to return the first element of its type among a group of sibling elements. Means imagine there is a form is presented or select a drop down is presented. In this select drop down we have n number of groups are presented. You want to verify to find a first a type, right? That is called a first child and last child. And if you see the same way we are going to identify first type. Means in this one particular web application we have n number of web elements. It's like a label, texts like inputs and buttons and spans and programs, piece and h tags. All the tags are presented. Correct? The tag names are presented. So many things in the one web application. You want to identify one particular tag which is after the parent. After the parent, what all the things are presented, like imagine there is a form. After the form I want to identify h tags, how many h1 tags are presented, how many h2 tags are presented, like that. And if you see, imagine there is a input box are there. After input box, after form, how many input box web elements are presented, web tags. Those things identification we can able to use this first of type, last of type, nth of type. And last one it will return the last which is the among that web element last position. Nth of type is nothing but we are going to provide some position to particular web element. That position value identification purpose, nth of type. We'll see simple example now. See, in this form, I'm going to developer tools. Just now I told you, right? There is a form. After the form, there is so many things are presented. Here, the simple example like input boxes are presented, devs and input, and these values are presented. Now I'm going to identify input box. What all the things are presented after mine input I provided. Sorry, form hash and provided and space I given because I need to identify subject and childs also. Due to that I given a space input I provided. Then I want to identify first value, first of type value in that input. What all the inputs are presented in that input values, I want to identify first position type. Okay. In this input type, first position I want to. Then first hyphen of hyphen type. Then it will identify first position value. Then I want to identify last one. You can change this one value last. And if you want to provide nth type, then nth, and nth type we need to provide position. If you want to provide fourth, then it will give fourth position value. If you want to identify three, then it will provide a three value. Like this we can able to use these three attributes, these three types, and we can able to identify particular attribute. It's a simple dynamic web application to identify dynamic web element identification. This is a rare case we are going to use, not continuously. A rare, if you are not able to identify any using any locator, then you can able to go for nth child or first child or for first of type, last of type, nth of type. Like that, we can able to go ahead. Using these two things, we can able to identify web element. This is a simple example. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.